Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah. Cooking with the Grinch. The Grinch goes down to the town. He hears the bells. Ding, dong, dong, ding. He hears the whoos. They sing, sing, sing.
Welcome Christmas, come this way. Wahoo, forage, Yahoo, Dore. Welcome Christmas, Christmas Day. Welcome, welcome, Wahoo, Ramus. Welcome, welcome, Wahoo, Ramus. Christmas Day is in our grasp, so long as we have hands to.
He taps the door. It's Cindy New. She likes to cook. The Grinch does too. He likes to mix. She likes to stir. She cooks with him. He cooks with her. They make some treats and start to bake. Who eat the treats they make? Max, oh no! No, 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 no! Max, you have to go, go, go! The treats are done. Don't let them tip. Oh no! The treats! They start to snip. Cindy Lou is fast. The treats do not fall. She saved the treats. She saved them all. Merry Christmas, Max. Yum, 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 yummy. The treats are now in Max's tummy. The end. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!